15 minutes of fame. Let's go.
Tell me.
I would have told you. Bars.
Yo, we live. Bars, bitch.
Yeah, I knew he was about to do that. Boss said boss chicks. Yeah.
What's up, though, man? We live. 15 minutes of fame, man. Hi, 40.
Hi.
What's going on, man? What we talking about?
I'm cooling at this choir room event, man. Shout out Queen's Flips. I'm cooling.
Now, yo, last time we spoke, man, you know what I'm saying? You took a couple battles in a row and I yelled at you for doing it.
Yes.
And you did it again, man. You know,
I did it again.
You got, DNA.
May 16th.
May 16th, and the day after, you got the main event. Chayna actually Queen of the Ring, man.
Yes. 2 weeks later, I have a battle in Miami as well.
Now, let's talk about, you and DNA.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Female, males, I'm a fan of the female-male battles. You know what I mean? But as far as that situation goes, are you scared, man? I mean, DNA's a vet. He could freestyle. Preparing for him. What's up? Like, let's talk about it.
I'm not afraid of DNA. Not to be cocky, not like that. Like, there's guys who I think about and I'm like, damn, I don't know if I want that smoke. You know what I mean? But he's not one of those. He's a vet, he's all that, like you said, but he's not anybody to be afraid of.
Does it make it better that it's a home game? You finally got a home game. It's in Boston. You know what I mean? Like, does that make it better for you and, make you want to kill him more?
Yes, it does. Like, I've never, I battled in my city before, but not on this, like, magnitude, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm excited about it. DNA's gonna get fucked up. I come to New York and fuck people up all the time, so it's gonna be good to do it in my backyard.
Now, King of the Dot, why did they book, do you know why they booked DNA and not an actual female for you, or?
Actually, I've been asking John Ryan to handle all my battles to look for guys instead. So it was, I was looking at Miss Hustler. That situation didn't really pan out. You know what I mean? And DNA was the next biggest lady they could find, I guess. So that's what it was.
Word. Now, yo, I'm not gonna front, man. I've been reading the rooms and on Facebook, and I've been seeing the comments. A lot of people counting you out, man, for Chayna Ashley.
Because I lost one battle, that's why. Tell them to count these nuts.
Now, what changed this time, though? Rather than last time, when you took the multiple battles and it didn't turn out too well, like, are you gonna be prepared for Chayna in that ring, man? She Queen of the Ring return?
No, definitely. Last year the difference was everybody got it fucked up. They were making it seem as though I was trying to be like cocky or something because I kept saying I'm doing 3 battles in 30 days. No, like I was trying to do something great. Like I was trying to break a record. I'm trying to, you understand what I'm saying? Do my own thing. It wasn't about being cocky, but I didn't prepare properly. I suffered. This year it'll be totally different. Like, I prepared differently, you know what I mean? So I know how to do it this year because I fucked up so bad last year.
Now, how prepared are you? I mean, how much are you for all three battles?
I don't answer those questions on camera anymore because they're gonna kill me when this footage drops. So I'll be ready May 16th and 17th. That's what counts.
Word. Now, BB Kings. Do you have something maybe special? You had the whole Queen thing. For NHB, this is another big venue. Are we gonna expect something crazy from 40? Or you just bringing the bars, man?
Like I said, man, I learned my lesson last time. That's probably why I lost last year because I stepped outside of who I am as a person. I don't bring gimmicks. That's not my game. And look what the fuck happened. My dress ripped before I even got to performing and shit. That was a sign. I don't ignore signs. So no fucking gimmicks, no canes, straight bars.
Or do you think that Queen of the Ring being the Jazz situation and the Hustle situation with Queen of the Ring, you feel like you and Chayna are really the top two in there right now?
Are we the top 2?
Yes.
Or are we 2 of the top?
Two top 5.
I definitely think we're 2 of the top females. As far as the top 2, I believe I'm one of them. Chayna is not. But she is one of the top females, so yeah.
Now, yo, I've been seeing, I don't know if you've been paying attention, but at the station we've been playing your EP like crazy. It's really actually really good, and I'm not just saying that 'cause you're my friend. Like, I really enjoy listening to it. What's next with the album, man? I mean, anything in the works? What's up?
So I'm starting to get my performances. I try to get my battles all locked in, and since I'm almost done writing for those, I've been trying to lock in some shows. I'm gonna perform like on any platform that'll have me. B.A.R.R.S Battle League, I should be there April 26th. I'm gonna perform on their card, music-wise, not battling. A couple smaller venues around Boston that I'm gonna be doing, and I'm looking to book some shows in New York. So performing, getting my music out there.
Alright, and yo, you're hearing it from Heavy Bag himself. Team 40 is the most powerful team. They be killing me. Bro, when I drop an interview, yo, my retweets go crazy, man. What you gotta say to Team 40, man?
Team 40, y'all know what time it is, man. We're the movement to move with. Heavy Bag just said it. Everybody knows it. Y'all know what time it is.
Only right. Only right.
Well, yo, we're gonna enjoy the rest of this event. You know, it's always a pleasure when I see you.
15 minutes of fame. Fuck with you.
Minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go.
15 minutes of fame radio. We're now stepping into 15 minutes of fame radio.